Hello everyone, this is Barista Fortunate Kabasumba, currently a finalist at Jex Barista Institute. How I feel about completing my course, I really feel proud of myself because it hasn't been an easy journey, but with the help of my teachers and all the staff at Jex, I really feel proud of myself and I'm so excited. My favorite skill, I would say doing those arts. Because that is something that literally attracted me to doing the barista course. Because I was like, how do they do these arts and all that? So literally, that is my favorite part. Next for me is putting my skills out there, like all the skills I've learned at Jex, to put them out there. Here at Jex we are trying to be head baristas. Yeah, my favorite coffee drink, it's Spanish caramel latte. Hardest part of the course, when I found out being a barista isn't about just extracting coffee and doing those latte arts and all that. When I found out it involves being many in one, like a waitress, a cleaner, like washing the utensils and everything you've used while being a barista. So that was the hardest part, but then as time went by I learned that this is part of the process, because it literally teaches you how to be organized, because this is like hospitality, so the clients are watching, the customers are watching, and you're preparing something that is a customer is going to take. So it taught me how to be organized. So now so far I'm used. I'm really super confident with all the skills because I feel I'm fully equipped. Where do I see myself in 6 months? Being a head barista. Yes, I'm really excited to start my barista journey because I feel I have a lot that the world needs to see.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.